Hey, good morning, everybody. I'm Michelle Wisdomw. I'm with the Department of Horticulture at the University of Arkansas. I am the recruiter, the special projects coordinator, and an instructor in our department. Just want to say welcome to our video. So horticulture is the science, art, and business of growing fruits, vegetables, turf grass, and ornamental plants. The Department of Horticulture is a small department on campus with about 85 to 100 students enrolled at any given time. Bumpers College, which we're a part of, is the second smallest college on campus with about 2,000 kids enrolled, but we have the highest graduation rate, so we're really proud of that. In the Department of Horticulture, we all share one very important thing, and that is a love for plants. That gives us a very common goal, which is to grow them and grow them well. So our faculty and staff have an open door policy, and we will walk with you through your journey from even before you are on campus, your freshman year, through graduation and after. Our faculty are all renowned in their fields, be it fruit production, controlled environment growing, which is greenhouses, turf grass sciences, genetics, and ornamentals. And I just want to say, if you want to check us out even further, go to horticulture.uark.edu and follow us on Instagram at uarkhorticulture. So with that, I'll turn it over to our student ambassador, Sydney Delossantos. Hi, Sydney.
Hi guys, my name is Sydney Delossantos. I am a senior here at the University of Arkansas and I am the Horticulture Student Ambassador. Some couple things that I think incoming students should really know about bumpers in the Horticulture Department is get to know the staff, the faculty, the instructors, the professors, get to know everyone in the department and be vocal about what you want out of your college experience, because the instructors, the faculty, the staff, even other students, we want to help you, but you have to be willing to help yourself first. So like I said, be vocal and tell everyone what you want to do and get the word out, because we are here to help you. We want you to succeed.
So if you guys have any questions, you can reach out to us at any time, again, through our website or on social media. We would love to talk to you. We would love to tell you all about our experiences in horticulture. So just give us a shout. Talk to you later. Bye.